and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and in today's video I have an exciting Shopmissa haul. Before we go on with the haul, make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my videos, and of course hit the notification bell too. And at the end of the video, if you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Here are the goodies. They packaged it really well. I decided to grab these. They're by AOA Studio and they're the Paw Wonder Blenders. They're so cute and they're really soft too. So I picked up 3 of these. One's for my sister and my mom, and then of course one's for myself. So I'm really excited to try these. Oh, and on the back it says part of proceeds will go towards protecting animals against abuse. Oh, I love that. And then again by AOA Studio, I picked up these. They're super cute. They are mini wonder blenders. And again, they're really soft. It says they're for more precision and control. So I like that. I figured it would be good for under the eye. Perfect. Then I decided to get this. It's a blackhead remover. I just wanted to try it by AOA Studio. Never tried one before, so hey, why not? All of their things are so affordable, so you're not wasting any money if you pick something up and you don't like it. I got these again by AOA Studio. They are the blotting papers, and they're mattifying blotting papers because I get really oily. Okay, not that I'm going anywhere these days, but they're just good to have. Then I got like 4 of these. It's again by AOA, the Wonder Brow Tinted Brow Pomade. I absolutely love it. It's a great product. So I got it in the shade dark brown. Another product that I like is by AOA Studio. It is their sculpting brow pencil. I absolutely love it. It's in the shade dark brown. I love how my brows look when I use this pencil. I wanted to try this as well. Again, it's by AOA Studio. I really like their stuff. It's a brow gel and it's in the shade, I think it's dark brown as well. I can't really see, but yeah, I'm excited to try this. If you want a demo, I've never tried these before, so if you want a demo, comment down below and I'll definitely do one for you. I've never tried their concealer before. Again, it's by AOA Studio. It's in the shade Amber. Yeah, Amber. And it says it corrects imperfections and dark circles. I have some dark circles, okay? Don't let this fool you. But I wanted to give this a try. It is medium to full coverage. So again, if you want a demonstration, you know what to do. All right, and this here, again by AOA Studio, it's the Pro Wear Full Coverage Foundation. This is in the shade Cappuccino. I do have it in the shade Nutmeg, and I can link a card with a demonstration of me using it. It was a tad too dark, so I decided to try the shade up from it, which is this one here. So I'm hoping that, I hope it's not too light. I might have to mix them, but I'll give this a try. So again, if you want a demo with this one, comment down below. This is the last item that I picked up by AOA Studio. It is the Buildable Satin Foundation in the shade Cappuccino. So I'm very excited to try this as well. I do like their foundations. The coverage is really good. It's just that other one was too dark for me, so I'm hoping that both of these foundations will be good, a good match for me. Oh, one more item I saw hiding. It's the AOA Perfect Setting Powder, and it is matte translucent. So I'm excited to try this. I picked one up for my sister as well, so hoping that it's good, but if not, whatever. It wasn't very expensive, so it's okay. That's everything to my haul. If you've tried any of these products, comment down below and let me know how you like them or didn't like them. I definitely like to hear about it. I'm nosy, okay? So definitely comment down below. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, lovelies, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!